My name is Nikki, and I am a dentist in Las Vegas. I've been in Cyprus for just under a week now. I came here to the AIMIS Institute to have back surgery done. My surgeon's name is Dr. Smith, and he was recommended to me from my pain management doctor in Las Vegas, and I also know people that have had back surgery with him. Dr. Smith was the first person to bring up the idea of AIMIS and the idea of coming to Cyprus for my surgery. Cyprus became my only option when I started having problems with my insurance covering the surgery in the United States. They had very roundabout answers as far as not covering with my insurance, and most of them led back to the fact that it wasn't deemed medically necessary because of my age. My insurance was concerned that I had no problems with instability, therefore did not need any type of surgery to keep things stabilized or together. Dr. Smith felt that after 2.5 to 3 years, we had exhausted all non-surgical pain management, and surgery was the only option to give me back some type of quality of life. If I didn't have my surgery, I basically would be stuck in Las Vegas and continuing with my pain management drugs and continuing to have them become less and less effective, and eventually I would not be able to work anymore. Valerie at Dr. Smith's office was the one that made initial contact with AIMIS, and I heard back from somebody within 24 hours, and the process was started that fast. The whole process was less than 3 weeks between talking about the surgery and me arriving in Cyprus. I had the utmost trust in Dr. Smith to do surgery wherever he told me he was going to do the surgery. I trusted him completely. When I arrived at the facility, I didn't even think I was in a hospital. It was beautiful. Everybody was beyond nice. It took so much of the nervousness out of a foreign country, a scary surgery. Everything just started to feel like I was having it done at home, that I was surrounded by very supportive people. I would come to AIMIS again, I would come to Cyprus again in a heartbeat. If I would have really thought about it, I really would have done this 6 months before. I wouldn't have even waited. And if I know people that have back problems, then this definitely is going to be a big focus of conversations with future people. I was not intimidated after I had gone to the AIMIS website and realized everything that was being offered. As far as English-speaking staff, I wasn't worried that I was going to end up in a situation where I couldn't communicate with anybody. It really alleviated any nervousness that I might have had from the first 5 minutes till I got on the website. The flight over here is a very simple international flight. It was all the reservations were taken care of. I didn't have to lift a finger to do it. I just had to show up at the airport and make my connections. Very easy. I've definitely enjoyed the food since I was here. It's given me a chance to explore an area that we don't have a lot of at home. It's real traditional Greek food, and it's been really great. 6 years ago, I found myself in a situation in the most excruciating pain of my life, and it turned out it was my lower back and problems with my lower back. And my MRIs did not look good, and I was told that I would be plagued with back problems for the rest of my life, and they were only going to get worse. Finally got to the situation where we thought surgery was going to be an option, and the surgery that was originally proposed was surgery, 10 years another surgery, 10 years another surgery, which basically meant to me that at some point in my life I would not be able to be a dentist, which is my passion in life. And so now that I feel that I've kind of come to the end of this journey, I know that I'm going to be able to go home. I know that I'm going to be able to continue with my job, and I know that I'm going to be able to retire when I want to, not in pain, not with medical issues forcing me away from something that I love. And everybody from my family to my doctors has been very supportive in getting me to this end goal.